Hello students, in this video I will show some tips or tricks to do some shortcuts. Okay, so let's start. So here you can see in the gateway of Tele there are options: accounting, accounts info, inventory info, and balance sheet, profit and loss account, and all these options are there, right? So to visit those options without clicking to the mouse, the shortcuts are, you can see, if you see clear with concentration, you can see that few letters of this are in bold. Say in accounts info, A is in bold, right? In accounting vouchers, V is in bold, right? V is in bold. Similarly in inventory, T is in bold. Banking, N is bold. In balance sheet, B is bold. In profit and loss, P is bold. So these indicate that if you want to go to accounting voucher, you can directly click V. Okay, the key V. So directly the accounting vouchers will open. Similarly, if you want to go to banking, you can directly click N. Okay, then direct the banking will open. For balance sheet, you have to click B. For profit and loss, you have to click P. For stock summary, you have to click S. For ratio analysis, you have to click R. So whenever you will come to the gateway of Tele, you will see that a letter of every option, one letter is in bold, and if you click that letter you can directly access that. All right, say if I will go to accounting voucher, I will click V. Okay, so this is the shortcut here. Then again you can see that there is two menu bar. This is the top menu bar and this is the right, or you can say side menu bar. All right, so this is the top menu bar and this is the side menu bar. Here if you see nicely, you can see that there are some, these against these options there are some letters, right? Say K, here also K, here also H, right? So these are the shortcut keys to visit those options. Similarly here also, see F2, F3, these are the shortcut keys to visit the options given against them. Now see, again if you see that under those letters there are, in some places there are double underline and in some places there are single underlines, right? So what does that single underline indicate? That single underline indicates that you have to press alt, you have to press and hold alt and click the given alphabet or given key. Similarly, double underline indicates control. Okay, so double underline indicates control keys. That means you have to click the control key and the option or the letter given, right? And when there is a single underline, that indicates you have to click alt key and the letter given. Okay, so that means for help, if you want to visit help directly, you have to click alt plus H. Okay, let's see can we visit or not. Alt plus H. Okay, so here option is coming connect to the internet. So I am offline, that's why I cannot visit it. If I would have been online, I can visit it directly. So if single underline, that means you have to press hold the alt button and then the letter given, and double underline, say if I have to go to control center, I have to click what, control key and hold it and then the letter, that is K, right? So these are few shortcuts that will help you. Okay, so here also if you have to go to select company, you will simply click F1 because no underline is given. If if you have to shut company, you have to click what, single underline is given, that means what, alt plus F1. Okay, for date simply F2, for period alt plus F2, for company simply F3, for company info alt plus F3. Okay, I hope you have understood these shortcuts. It will help you. All right, thank you.